The moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be.
Короче, видео басталмай тұрып, Crazy Dark'тың каналынан жазылыңыздар. Бұл каналда қызықты видеолар шығып тұрады. Мысалы, жаңағы Outlast және MLG монтаждар, Dota туралы. Тек Dota емес, Minecraft'та да бар. Обзор модтар жасайды. Короче, тағы видеолар шығып тұрады, қызықты. Жазылыңыздар, тіркеліңіздер. Я. Барлықтарына сәлем, сіздермен бірге Ана Геймер. Және новый видео шықты. Типа мен бір апта үйімде болған жоқпын, білмейтіндерге. Группада жазып біткем, что видео шықпай кететін болады. Но не шет. Блин, өткен жол Кейтпен сөйлесіп тоқтағанбыз. Ана сохранение бойынша Кейтпен әлі сөйлескен жоқпыз. Короче, мен ладно-ка пауза қойын. Короче, біз жалғастырып отырмыз. Ана Кейтпен сөйлесіп болдым. Опять никаких смайлов дейді. Қайқа ұршыд? Вот, шығатын жер. Хотя мен намен сөйлесем не болады.
Hey, Brooke. Oh, hi, Max. Did you see the freak snowfall yesterday? I was riveted by that weird snow flurry yesterday. I can't tell if you're being serious or not. Since I'm a science noob, I was wondering if you could explain it.
I'm serious. Even meteorologists can't explain that snow. I bet Warren can. Did you talk to him yet?
Нет.
No, not at all. He's my friend, not my mother.
True. And Warren really loves to talk meteorology with me, since I'm one of the few who can talk back. Talk to you later, Max.
Ага. Warren жаңағы бала ма? Который бізге көмектескен. Енді видеолар күніге шығып тұрады деп ойлаймын. Егер мен ерінбесем, желание болса. Я надеюсь. Так, біз қаяқты кесеміз дедік.
The birds are flocking around Samuel.
Hey, Samuel.
You're up early.
Oh, hello, young Max. I do love the early morning. Everything's so calm, quiet.
Зверушки. Ладно, поговорим позже.
I don't want to get in the way of your morning ritual. See you later.
Of course you will.
Ладно, біз қайқа бару керекпіз? Я не помню. Сөйлеспей қойық. Опять. Связаться с горой адвокатов. Вы не первый студент Блэквелла, который пытается это сделать. Надеюсь, что последний. Расцениваю это как последнее вежливое предупреждение. Ага. Окей. А вот и Орен. Чё? Макс,
Warren, what are you doing here?
Oh, nothing. Waiting for a call? I mean, I already took the call. Anyway, I wanted to rap about that action yesterday.
Спасибо, веселая.
Thank you for stepping in. You were pretty badass, Warren. I owe you.
Oh, yes, you do. I got knocked on my ass by that dick. I'm some personal superhero.
You're a real everyday hero. You stood up to a bully and it was awesome.
Even though you left me with said bully and ran off with that girl, she's pretty good. How do you know her?
Сбежала до утра.
An old friend, Chloe Price. We haven't seen each other in a while.
I bet you were glad to see her blast up in that truck like a rock star. Which begs the question, why is Nathan Prescott getting psycho on you?
Не ввязывайся.
He's
Лучше
dangerous. I
айтпай
don't
коёйық.
want you to get involved. You got me there, but lay low. Nathan Prescott is going to get his karma soon.
You're fucking weak. Like that bizarro snowfall yesterday. Speaking of dystopia, that drive-in is having a 70s Planet of the Apes marathon. Let's go ape.
Чё? Да, дислайн.
Yes, that's exactly what I mean. I love those old school ape films.
Well, that was easier than I thought. Cool. I'll text you the info.
В смысле? Чё за бабочка? Ниттеу керек пе еді? Біреу маған Макс бергеш деді ма? Чё-то көрмей қалдым. Ладно, кете берейік. Кішкене қатып отырды тоже.
David talking to Nathan cannot be a good thing. This has something to do with Kate. Or Rachel.
Рейчел. Анау қыз жоғалған қыз ба? Как всегда, музыка. Осы музыка үшін менде авторские права деген шыға беретін болды. Блин, опять. Еще раз лайн. Так, громкость музыки. Кстати, мен есімде жоқ, қайға баратқанымызды. Вроде Хлоямен кездесуге баратырмыз. Бірақ именно қай жерге есімде жоқ. Оның үйіне ма еле? Анаяқта кім отыр? Аты кім еді? Ұмытып қалдым. Көп болды ойнамағанға. Blackwell Academy. Долго ехать еще? Ана аспанда байқалып тұр, что погода жаман болайын деп тұрғаны. Біз и қайықтамыз біз? Кафешка.
Going back in time. The diner looks exactly the same.
Рыбак дейді. Не үшін сөз еткіміз? Флайеры. Красавай.
Look at all these flyers. It's so sad that nobody will read them.
Вернем жизнь Аркадия Бэй, спасем наш город. Остановим засуху.
Man, that smell of breakfast and the sound of clanging silverware makes me feel
Снова
13 again.
13. Автомат с жвачкой. Брошюры. Рыбак. Хлоя. Опаздываю, начинай без меня. Мама тебя накормит. Ага. Бізге тез келді да. Сама опаздывает.
Drool. What everything.
Хотя все. Ладно. Утрамаймыз, а? Коп. Водитель грузовика. Парень. Мен что-то түсінбедім. Чё? Странная женщина? Ой, поговорите, Курик.
Hello there to you. Such a beautiful day, eh? Oh yeah, it's gonna be a super day. Enjoy your breakfast, eh?
Реально странная. Лол. Тревор, Джастин. Вот. Наконец-то. Мама смысл, да? Хлоина.
And there she is, a lovely young woman. How are you doing, Max?
Hi, Joyce. It's nice to see you again. You look the same.
Like
Siz de
I'm still a
söylemedik.
waitress at Two Whales after all these years.
No, like you still look pretty.
Nice save, kid. You're still smart. But not that smart. Now you get busted for smoking pot. I heard the whole sordid story from David.
Какое?
I'm sorry this was how you had to meet him. He's a good man, no matter what Chloe says.
Yeah, I'm sure. I don't even smoke, like, ever. It was almost an accident. It was very stupid. I'm sorry.
В смысле? Сонда
Surprised me fierce.
анау темекіні шеккеншін, то есть дури. Біз шек деп ойлап отырмын.
Promise. I know things were hard for you and Chloe. I feel bad I didn't call. Now my folks are in Seattle and I'm all alone at Blackwell. It's my karma.
You did the right thing. You moved forward with your life. I did after William passed on. Chloe chose to stay angry. Anyway, I hope we see more of you.
Осы жаңағы Дэвидті жақсы деп отыр.
Joyce, I am so sorry about William. I have great memories of him.
I'm glad, Max. That was his gift to us. Wonderful memories. Even if Chloe doesn't understand yet.
Хлоя
Chloe
изменилась,
must
слай.
have changed a lot during that time.
Oh, she hit all the phases. Expulsion, running away, drugs, bad boys, tattoos, piercings, blue hair. Now she's got to rebel against her stepfather.
I see why.
Do you? He's not as much of a hard ass as you think. But you did tell him you had a joint, right? You took that responsibility?
Да.
I did. And I am sorry. I don't want Chloe in any more trouble. Or me.
Nobody's in trouble over a doobie, Max. And I admire that you took the heat for Chloe. Like a great friend. But Chloe does push David, and it's not fair. He paid his dues in a war. He does care about her, along with all the students at Blackwell.
He cares about Kate Marsh.
David mentioned her, but I'll stay out of his business. I won't patrol Blackwell, and he won't cook at the diner, you know?
Yesterday, I took a picture of him fighting with Kate.
Блин,
Thought
бекер
you might know
айттық.
why.
Nice try, Nancy Drew. But next to you, there's only one student I'm worried about. And she's not even in school anymore. So, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What do you want to eat?
Бельгийская вафля.
The last good Belgian waffle I had was here when I was 13 years old. So, bring it on.
Now finish your coffee.
Омлет с беконом деу керек.
One Belgian waffle for the hungry girl. Pronto?
One Belgian waffle at 12 o'clock.
Nerve
Een goede
cookie.
truc.
I love the delicious anticipation of breakfast. The only thing that's changed on the menu are the prices.
Цены. Махмахак. А, выпить. Можно.
This is like fourth dimensional deja vu. I keep going back in time.
Дежавю.
Looks like you had plenty. Stick with the bacon.
The lighthouse looks so mysterious. I wish I could stay in this moment forever. I guess I actually can now.
Походу жел болып отыр.
But then it wouldn't be a moment.
What kind of dive is this?
Oh yes, Black.
Түсінбедім.
You will be mine.
I can hear your stomach
Шуточка.
rumbling from here, Max. Here, you'll love this.
I'm drooling like a baby.
Still can't believe you're a woman. When I look at pictures of Chloe, speak of the devil.
Вот и пришла.
Mom and Max, together again.
And Chloe looking for a free meal. You put your whole damn college fund on your tab.
I'm treating Chloe for breakfast.
Are you atoning for yesterday?
Oh God, Mom, please do not give Max any shit for that. She apologized.
I know she did. Max is a good girl. Woman. She's 18
Девочка.
now.
Too old to get lectures from you or Sergeant Pepper.
Call him David if you don't want to be lectured. You only get one damn slice of bacon a day.
You guys are still the same. Another reason to blow this town.
Ругаются.
What is this shit on the jukebox? Now that that's out of the way,
Блин, музыка естілмеген. Жаман екен.
let's talk about your superpower.
I don't have any explanation, and I can't explain why I saw that crazy fucking tornado.
Come on, that's just a daydream. I want proof you can rewind time.
This is all happening so fast.
We'll start slow. Right here.
Осыдан кейін видео бітіру керек.
I can tell you
Бірақ
every single
бұлар
thing
тағы
about
көп
you.
сөйлесетін сияқты.
You have X-ray vision, dude? I don't even know what's in my pockets. Let me see. Okay, Max. Impress me.
Так. Ключи.
Duh, way too easy. I need details. Describe my keychain.
Ну,
A
череп.
skull keychain for a punk like you.
That was so wrong, Max. Okay, psychic girl.
Oh.
Let me show you what's actually in my pockets. That was
Ключи с
beyond
мишкой.
epic fail. You even made me want to believe you.
Ладно. Сейчас перемотаем время. Ой. Да блин. Ctrl. Ой,
This is
не
me
катта.
telling you what's inside your pockets.
Okay, Max. I'm hella ready.
Так, ключи.
Duh, way too easy. I need details.
Стоп, мен череп болған жоқ. Мишка болды ғой, мына жақта лезвие, пуля.
You definitely have a razor blade keychain.
That was so wrong, Max. Okay, psychic girl. Let me show you what's actually.
Взглянуть.
Okay, Max. Study every item carefully and don't forget anything.
Ну вот, брелок с мишкой. Почему лезвие? Сигарета, монеты. Читать, но не. Ваш транспорт припаркован. Ага. Читать. 1 цент, 5 центов, четверть доллара. Так, ладно.
You got this, Max. Now rewind and blow Chloe's mind. This is me
Капец,
telling you
Нюка,
what's
опять.
inside your pockets.
Okay, Max. I'm hella ready.
I'm
Сигареты.
pretty sure you have cigarettes on you.
Yes, you know I'm a smoker.
Ладно, позову я Троймен. Короче, все. Бәрін дұрыс айттым.
Amazeballs. I literally just got chills all over my neck. You
Она в
house.
шоке.
I'll take that crap off the table, Chloe.
Sure, Mom.
Так,
How's the food, Max?
бітіргер
Better than
қойында.
I remember.
Very good save.
Значительно.
Man, I'm hungry like the wolf.
Clearly.
I'm freaking out about what just happened. You have to show me more. Something way cooler so I won't
Что-то
believe you
көп
without
пакетта
any doubt.
опять.
I will predict the future.
No way.
Now,
Предскажу
pay attention to
будущее.
everything that happens in the next few moments, so you can dazzle Chloe with your
Ладно,
mad
осымен
power.
бітірейік. Сіздермен бірге болған Ана Геймер. Каналға жазылыңдар.
Did you break another
О,
cup?
вот.
Really? No refill for you.
Shh. Well, now I
Ага.
can take his call.
Короче, давайте.
Hey, where's my
Салондер.
partner?